Hello my friends and welcome back. In the previous video we learned how to write a value to a specified database location in Firebase Realtime Database. In this video we'll learn how to read any change in the value of the specified database location in Firebase Realtime Database. To make your app data update in real time, you should add a value event listener to the reference you just created. So I'll start with my reference, which is referred to this reference at the path and the node called messages. My ref dot add value event listener. And here I need to pass new value event listener. This code snippet is used to attach an event listener to a Firebase real-time database reference, and in this case, my ref, in an Android application. This listener is specifically used for listening to changes in the data located at a specified database reference, and which is in this case, messages node. So my ref is a reference to a specific location, which is the node within your Firebase real-time database. You can think of it as a pointer to where the data is stored or where you want to listen for changes. Add value listener. This method is used to add an event listener to the database reference. It allows you to listen for changes in the data at the location. And the new value event listener, this part defines an anonymous inner class that implements the value event listener interface. The value event listener interface has two callback methods, onDataChange and onCanceled. OnDataChange method, this method is called when the data at the specified database reference changes. The DataSnapshot parameter contains the updated data, and you can extract and process this data as needed. This is where you handle the changes to that data. So for that, I'll handle the changes in the data by using a string called value or new value equals to DataSnapshot, which is the snapshot here, dot get value method. And here I need to use string.class. Here I am extracting and processing the updated data from the data snapshot. And data snapshot is an object that represents the specific snapshot of data at a particular location in the Firebase real-time database. You can use methods like getValue, getChildren, and others provided by data snapshot to access the data stored at the database location to which this listener is attached. And to display the new value, I'll use the text view that I have it here in the Hello World application. And its ID, I'll give it an ID, text view. And here I'll use our old-fashioned way, the find view by ID. So text view, find view by ID, Alt plus Enter. For class, and I'll use this text view dot set text, and here I need to pass the new value string. The onCanceled method. This method is called if there is an error while trying to read from the database. You can implement error handling logic here. Now let's run our application and see if the text view will set to the new value of our messages value. And here we go. You can see hello from our course. I'll show you a magic, guys. Let's go to the Firebase console, and here I'll open our emulator and I'll change, guys, this messages value to hello from Abbas Masri. Watch, guys. Hit enter and you can see how fast is Firebase. It's a real-time database reading. Once you change it, all the clients or connected devices to this database will change immediately. Let's try again. I love this magic. I love Firebase. Click enter and you can see this is in our emulator. So you can see how fast and how easy is Firebase.